Crypto's getting weird. Crypto is getting very weird, guys. Many of you guys know that the large majority of this channel is the ICP community. You come through strong in every poll, in every video, even if it's not an ICP video, you let me know, Lex.
Why the fuck are you not talking about ICP?
Guys, I want to say to start the video, first of all, thank you, okay, because I do appreciate you. This is reminding me of the ADA cult, okay? We're starting to get a little bit weird, a little bit strange, a little bit off. Every single moment you get the chance to talk about ICP. Hey son, what would you like for dinner today?
I want ICPs.
Hey, what's that new console you're playing on?
I'm playing on the ICPC.
Maybe a little bit exaggerated, but you know what I'm trying to say. Now, the reason I made this poll, well, there were two reasons, okay? Number one was to find out how much of the community is now, like, big fans of base. I know a lot of you guys like the base coins. The Aero video has been doing well, and then the well video did well yesterday as well, right? And then it was also to see how many people would comment ICP, and I was right. Like, it would be quite a lot of you guys who did subscribe for ICP content, right? I've been making, like, daily ICP videos for a very, very long time, so I do get it. But I do want to say, you know, look, as much as I love you guys, I'm not Jerry, unfortunately. Or fortunately, okay, I'm not Jerry. I don't just hold ICP. I'm like diversifying quite a lot, and I have said that to you guys in quite a few videos. But I mean, I got a bit triggered this morning when I woke up. Let's say I don't mind this, like not any of these. You know, it's ICP, whatever. But then when people ICP fish, I'm calling you out, motherfucker. When you say you got me questioning your values, what values, bro? What are you talking about? But yeah. Anyway, just to say, like, look. Cool, guys, we can all hold different coins, and yeah, feel free to comment on these polls if I don't show ICP, but it doesn't mean that I don't have love for the community. Now, some people, unlike us, are getting fed up with ICP. However, how do we spell ICP? ICP, patience. Thumbnail of the last video. A man who masters patience masters everything else, and like the patience has been probably key for why a lot of us are still here in the market, and why we haven't been panic selling, and why we're probably still gonna be able to make some decent gains in the bull run because we've practiced patience. Oh, crypto's weird, man. Crypto's weird. Deja vu. October 23, October 24. Massive fake out to the upside, scam wick all the way back down. October 24, massive fake out to the upside, scam wick back down. Does that mean we're going to start to play out prolonged climb into the new all-time high, breaking past that 70k? What do you guys think? Went outside today in downtown Austin. What I saw disgusted me. People chilling, no cartwheels, no railing cocaine, no screaming when Lambo. Totally unaware. Bitcoin is pumping. You could even say totally unaware that ICP hasn't really moved. Imagine not knowing the price of Bitcoin at any given moment. Filthy mud people. We do get super caught in to the price of Bitcoin and the price of our altcoins, especially yesterday when we pumped up to like 68, 69k. Everybody was zoomed into the 15-minute chart, and again, I said this in the private community, and yes, I'm going to plug the private community because we're doing our community pool launch in 2 weeks. Make sure you're in on that, guys. If you're watching the videos this long and you're not part of the private community, go and join. You're going to make some money back. We were at 69k. People started celebrating. Okay, we said we need to wait for the day to close, the week to close, the month to close. We're back at 64k. What's happening now? We're back at 68k, right? Probably by the time I record this video and post it, who knows where we're going to be. But we're too zoomed in sometimes. To tackle things like this, to tackle the war, the civil war that's going on crypto Twitter right now, is to figure out what's at a good buying price and then just buy it. Right, it doesn't really matter where Bitcoin is, where your altcoin is. Well, it does matter where your altcoin is because that's going to depend whether you buy or not. But figure out what in your portfolio needs to be accumulated. Try and balance your risk a little bit as well. Don't be like 99% in one altcoin if you're holding 8 altcoins, right? I know some of you guys are only going to hold like 2 or 3. That's fine, but manage your risk. Okay, manage your risk and know when things start to outweigh each other. That being said, I mean, there are a lot of positive signs being shown in the chart, right? And this is the weekly chart, which is lovely. We need to be seeing the weekly chart print some bullish green candles. This could be one of the most important weekly candles of the past 6 months. And when we do break out, you're seeing a Titan of crypto has a target zone between 102 and 127k. And again, another chart where people are arguing online. People are saying, right, this is not a breakout. How are you calling this a breakout? Drawing their lines a little bit differently. But look, if you ask me, too many people waiting for a dip here. And I saw something, I think it was on Lark Davis's channel. He said that every single time we've gone past mid-October, we haven't really had a new lower low, okay? So that 49k could be the low, even if we do sweep down to 50, 52, whatever it is. Historically, we haven't really printed any lower lows coming into October of the bull run year. So are we simply going to go higher? Are all the bears about to get wrecked because they've been waiting? You can let me know your opinions. But a very common opinion that I'm getting at the moment is that ICP is this cycle's biggest failure. Think about that for a sec. 90% of altcoins won't even make it to half their previous all-time high. You guys already know about the inflation. ADA, DOT, ICP, Algo, HBAR. Now, if we go, and I know a lot of you guys, you don't really care about these coins and you don't hold them, but I'm going to go and like compare some of the trading views. Then we can see where we're at for some of these older coins. Guys, we go and we check out ADA, and from the base, it was like 20 cents. And I've been buying this thing from 20 cents, but let's say you didn't get 20 cents, you got like 23 cents. From the base to where we are now, it's up 51%. That sucks. Polkadot even worse. Can you even say that Polkadot is up, guys? Can you really even say that? I mean, from this low here, let's even use the wick. From this low here, 22%. Disgusting. HBAR, a favorite amongst many investors over this bear market, right? I see a lot of crypto YouTubers talking about HBAR. We covered HBAR for a little bit as well when it was around 4 cents. That one is up 40% from the low. Algorand, another one that a lot of big YouTubers loved to talk about in the bear market. Algorand, a big monster of the crypto space. It's up 34%. So I know a lot of you are going to say, but, you know, ICP covers way more stuff than what all of these other fake layers do. The thing is, a lot of the newer coins have been getting a lot of hype and attention, as they do in every single run. Seeing the different niches get more attention. So you're seeing AI do really well. You're seeing real world assets do really well. New gaming tokens that came out a year, 2 years ago do really well. But we must remember kind of what category we fall into is like, not an old man coin, but we've been here for a couple cycles now. And up to 174%. Is it the worst performer? I think there are coins that you could have been holding that would have been a lot more sucky right now. But the AI portfolio is something that we are very, very, very bullish on. The AI portfolio has been a portfolio saver, to be honest, over the past like 6 months. Dom tweeted today. We were waiting for that September announcement. Where the hell was it, Dom? Whatever. I've been quiet for a bit, equals working to ship. Major evolution of the AI x ICP story still coming. More talkative again soon. I don't mind this, to be honest, because at least he's addressing it. And do you want your founder to be like rushing out bullshit, right? To just please the community? Doesn't make sense. I'd rather have a fully functioning working product coming out, or application, or whatever it is. Okay, we can wait. And the price can wait. Pretty much everybody's price is waiting at the moment. So again, good to see that you're still working on the AI, ICP, whatever algorithm, whatever you want to call it. What do you guys think it's going to be based on? While we're waiting, according to DeFi Llama, 9 of the 15 most active DAOs globally are on ICP. The NNS stands out as one of the largest DAOs in crypto with over $1.9 billion locked. DeFi Llama, we know this lags a little bit as well, but that is fantastic. 9 of the 15 most active DAOs. And then more on from that, guys, the inactive ICP supply within the last 2 to 3 years has surged massively from 22 million to 71 million. That's over a 220% increase in dormant tokens, meaning people ain't moving. Not really too much to talk about on the price today. You guys can let me know if you're getting bored, if you're not, if the comparisons between the other coins was valid or not. Let me know in the comments. And again, if you made it this far, number one, join the private community. Check out the community pool. Drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Peace.